Big update for the week ahead. Bitcoin is holding close to $65,000. US Bitcoin ETFs are seeing strong buying again, while major support is forming around $63,000. But one risk is still hanging over the market: the US-Iran conflict and the Strait of Hormuz. And this week, US inflation data could become the next big trigger for Bitcoin and altcoins. Hi Ccoiner! Last week, we said Bitcoin's $60,000 to $63,000 region could become an important bottom building area. Right now, Bitcoin is still defending that idea. A large amount of Bitcoin was accumulated around $63,000, and Bitcoin's 200-week moving average is also close to this region. So as long as Bitcoin stays above this area, the chance of a stronger market floor remains alive. And here is another positive sign. US Bitcoin ETFs recorded strong net inflows during the latest trading week, with BlackRock leading much of the buying. That tells us institutions are not simply watching. Money is moving back into Bitcoin. But we still have to watch the war. Talks around the Strait of Hormuz have made progress, but the waterway has not fully reopened. Iran says reopening depends on the United States accepting Iranian conditions, while the UAE has accused Iran of another missile attack on an ADNOC-linked vessel. So this is not peace yet. Brent crude finished Friday around $83.55. For Monday, August 10th, no major scheduled U.S. economic release is expected to dominate markets, so Bitcoin may react mainly to geopolitical news, oil, ETF momentum, and technical levels. If Bitcoin holds around $64,000, it could test $65,500 to $66,000. If negative Iran or Hormuz news appears, $63,000 becomes the first major support. Then comes the bigger test. On Wednesday, August 12th, the United States releases July CPI inflation. Producer inflation follows Thursday, and retail sales arrive Friday. Softer inflation could help Bitcoin move higher, but hotter inflation, especially with another rise in oil, could quickly bring pressure back to crypto. What about altcoin season? It still has not been fully confirmed. For a stronger altcoin rally, Bitcoin first needs to stay stable. Ethereum then needs to outperform Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance needs to fall, and gains need to spread across more major altcoins. So we may see selected altcoins perform well, but I would not call it a full altcoin season yet. And this is why Ccoin Network is about more than price updates. Ccoin Network can help users understand why Bitcoin moves, how war affects oil and inflation, and what institutional buying means. Users can also stay active through mobile mining, Captain's Voyage, quizzes, Reward Harbor, Catch and Earn, crypto news, wallet tools, games, and community participation. So for the coming week, watch 4 things: Bitcoin's $63,000 support, the $65,000 to $66,000 breakout area, the US-Iran talks, and the Strait of Hormuz, and Wednesday's inflation report. Our base case is sideways trading with a slight bullish bias, but war headlines and inflation can change the picture quickly. Stay calm, stay informed, keep learning, and keep exploring Ccoin Network. Follow Ccoin Network for the market stories that matter and a clearer view of where crypto may be heading next. See you in the next video. Bye!